Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to change cell style in Excel. You see here this cell will be there. So how to customize it, how to change this style. So very easily you can do it. So in home tab you see this option, this cell style. So just click on it and so many style will be there. This normal, bad, good, natural. So select which you like and here this data and model. So you select which you like this one. So just select it like this way. And you can show a preview also like background. You see here this preview and you can customize handwriting also. So this way you can very easily change style in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video useful or not.